Welcome visitors. In this video, I am going to tell you about SEO backlink plan, that which links you should keep or which links you should disavow. So these are some links. They are 1400 links. So it's up to you to take to eradicate 1000 links or to keep 500 to 600 links. It's up to you. It's your decision making whether you keep these links or not. So this is our first option, which is URL. After that, it is a title of your blog or your content. After that, it's your anchor text. Anchor text is text in which you make the user click on that text and that link specific link will appear. After that, it is your spam score. Spam score is the score of your backlink on your website, and it is related to your content or not, or it's related to spam or not. Then after that, page authority and domain authority. Both are linked to each other. We will see this in step. After that, it's your target URL, link type, state active or not, and then it's your link type, no follow, do follow. So first thing is we go for URL. You see whether these URLs are related to your content or not. If your content is related to sports, then these backlinks should be related to sports. If not, then your site is at risk and or should lose your ranking. After that is your spam score. We select the spam score and then go to the option sort and filter. We select the category largest to smallest. Then inspect the selection. Here you can see that spam score maximum spam score is 65% and the minimum is I think so 1%. So you select the links which have maximum spam score. I am selecting those whose spam score is 65 to 40%. So you select those links, Control plus C, and paste these links in relevant links here. After that, we go for the page authority and domain authority. Both are similar. I am following domain authority. So select again and then expand the section largest to smallest. So here you can see that the maximum backlink on your website has domain authority of 59. So you have to decide which links you should keep or not. So I am selecting those backlinks whose domain authority is 17% to any number below 17%. So you select these links from the first option and then paste it here. After that, if you want to block any specific domain like this domain, then you select this domain and add it here. What it will do, it will block all backlinks from this domain. When a user tries to upload backlink on your website, Google de-index that specific backlink from your website. After that, save it and then go for Google disavow. In this link, you are going to upload this text file, and all the links of your website will be de-indexed by the Google. It saves your website credibility and ranking in the Google algorithm. So you attach your Gmail account and you should successfully uploaded the backlink file. So this is the process. It's up to you to decide on which factors you are highlighting the backlinks. So there's no specific plan in this. You have to decide for yourself. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment bar or you can email me. I will answer them. Goodbye.